to show you how to make these can bottle grippers. And so what you'll do is you'll take shelf liners from like Family Dollar or the dollar store and then cut them into rectangles or squares, and then you're going to crochet around the edge. And so this one I'm going to show you how to do that by single crocheting around the edge. And so it's like these shelf liners right here that you can get from the dollar store, or you can get them and cut them up from like perhaps Family Dollar. So I'm going to show you how to do that next. I use Super Saver Stripes Red Heart yarn. I think any medium worsted yarn will work. I used an E-hook, and it all depends on how big or small your holes will be in your shelf liners. In the corner, you're going to start with a slip stitch to attach your yarn. And depending on how big your holes are, I did 2 single crochet in each hole. So 1 and then 2, and then 2 in the next after that. Now I'm continuing on with 2 single crochet all the way around the entire square until I get to the Now you did around the whole entire border. You're going to slip stitch to complete. And then you'll weave in your ends with your yarn needle. And so chain 1 and pull through. Take your scissors and cut the yarn. Take the yarn needle, and then you're going to weave in your ends on the back where you can't see it. And that's how you complete this project. This project can be done in many different shapes. Like you can do the bottle one, which is a lot smaller, and I would do for the bottle, it just depends how wide you would like it, but I would make a long strip of rectangle about 2 inches across, and then however wide you'd like it, then fasten it together, sew it together, and then you could do a little trim around it. And then for the squares, this one's 6 inches, like I said, 6 inches by 6 inches. The small one's 4 inches by 4 inches. Okay, so it looks like this one is finished. Please subscribe.